Test 7, password cracking with John the Ripper. We'll just move into root mode and change directory to the desktop, which we'll be working with. In this exercise we need to download some of the information, the password and the shadow files from our target machine. So just to prove that the ports that we're actually working with here, we will use Wireshark to demonstrate the information that's being taken there. So first of all, we need to extract from our target machine the two files. First one is to take the password text file. Here we can see the transfer. First of all, sync from the attacking machine to the other machine, target machine, and we're using port 22 in this case. So from our attacking machine 49676 to 22, there's some key exchanges going on, and finally we send the encrypted packet which brings it across to us. Here is our password text file. We can just check that. So here's our downloaded information, and we can do the same for the shadow file. Again, just taking it from port 22, and the information is being encrypted and sent across to us using the remote secure copy command here. So now we should have both files nicely placed on our working desktop. Now what we need to do is unshadow the password and the shadow files. And place them into a separate new file, which we'll call unshad text. So now we've got our third file here. Now we need to use John the Ripper with a predetermined word list, which we have pre-prepared on our desktop with specific words available. Obviously we can use different ones, but there's quite a few words in there to see if we get some specific details back or not, and if we find some of the passwords. So we just need to specify our location for that. Brute pass dot text, and we're going to put that, run it against unshad dot text. That should run now. And once we've completed that, we need to ask John to show our file, which should give us some passwords. So it's actually managed to find six of the hashes have been cracked. Here we've got system, backbone, clog, MSF admin, NMSF admin, PostgreSQL user. Good. So actually now we can use this to test if it's if some of these passes are actually working. So we can do our login root at 192.168.126.3. So to test that, actually we can go to the Metasploitable machine instead of using the direct login. So we can test with any of the passwords from here. For instance, let's test service. This has gained us access to the machine effectively under the service availability. There's a service, a Metasploitable machine.